Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs and e-commerce enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of online selling, uncovering the incredible potential of wholesale, dropshipping, white label, and private label models. We're talking about how you can earn serious money, how these strategies can be an ultimate pathway to financial freedom, and the pivotal role a giant like Alibaba plays in it all. Let's break down these often confused terms. First up, wholesale. Think traditional bulk buying. You purchase a large quantity of existing branded products directly from a manufacturer or distributor at a reduced price. Your goal? To resell them at a higher retail price, making a profit on each item. The key here is inventory. You hold the stock, you manage the warehousing, and you handle the shipping to your customers. It offers good profit margins, especially if you can get great deals, but requires upfront capital and storage space. Next, dropshipping. This is the low-risk entry point for many. With dropshipping, you don't hold any inventory. When a customer places an order on your online store, you then purchase the product from a third-party supplier, often a wholesaler or manufacturer who ships it directly to your customer. Your profit is the difference between your selling price and the supplier's price to beauty. Minimal upfront investment, no inventory management, headaches, and you can offer a vast range of products. The challenge? Lower profit margins compared to wholesale, and you're reliant on your supplier's reliability and shipping times. Now, let's talk about building your brand. Even without manufacturing, labeling is like a blank canvas. A manufacturer produces generic products, and you essentially put your brand's label, logo, and packaging on them. The product itself remains largely unchanged from what other businesses might also be selling. Think generic coffee mugs that multiple shops brand with their unique designs. It's a faster way to market and requires less investment than developing a product from scratch, allowing you to quickly test market demand with your branding. Then we have private labeling. This takes customization to the next level. With private label, you work with a manufacturer to create a product specifically for your brand, often with unique specifications, designs, or even formulations. This means your product is exclusive to you. Imagine designing your own unique skincare line or a specific type of gadget. It demands a higher upfront investment, often with minimum order quantities, MOQs, but it offers much greater control over product quality, uniqueness, and ultimately, significantly higher profit margins and stronger brand loyalty. So, how can you earn money with these models? And why are they an ultimate way to earn money? Each model offers a pathway to profit. Wholesale offers strong per-unit profits due to bulk discounts. Dropshipping provides a scalable model with low overhead, allowing you to test numerous products and niches without financial risk. White labeling lets you quickly establish a brand presence with existing, proven products, ideal for quick market entry. Private labeling is where the ultimate potential lies. By creating unique products under your own brand, you eliminate direct competition, build immense brand equity, and command premium pricing. This leads to higher profit margins, customer loyalty, and a truly defensible business in the long run. The power of owning your own brand is unmatched in today's crowded marketplace. It's about building an asset, not just making quick sales. And this is where Alibaba steps in as your secret weapon. Alibaba, the world's largest B2B e-commerce platform, is a goldmine for all these models. For wholesale, it's a direct gateway to manufacturers and large-scale distributors, allowing you to source products at incredibly competitive prices by negotiating bulk orders. For dropshipping, while Alibaba is primarily B2B, many suppliers on the platform are now dropshipping friendly, offering lower MOQs or even fulfillment, making it a viable sourcing option for dropshippers looking for better pricing than platforms like AliExpress. For white labeling, you'll find countless manufacturers offering generic products that you can easily white label with your brand. Search for products and discuss branding options directly with suppliers. For private labeling, this is where Alibaba truly shines. You can connect directly with manufacturers, discuss custom product specifications, samples, design, and packaging. Alibaba's trade assurance system also adds a layer of security to your transactions, protecting your